Hi everyone! This video will be about financial model of a grocery store. If it's useful, please give us a like, subscribe our channel, push the bell button and leave us a comment. Also, you can order financial business models from scratch or download this model. The link to download is below this video. If you have a business idea of starting your own grocery store, this simple financial model can help you to evaluate the amount of money you need to start this business. Besides, you will also be able to see the profit, payback period of your investment and profitability of your future operational activity. Of course, it will be very interesting for you to know how stable your business idea is if something happens with revenue, expenses, and so on. So now let's go through the model and I will show you what items you should pay attention to if you want to run this business. In our model, all inputs are colored in blue. Other cells are automatic. First of all, we enter the year when all our financial projections start. Then, we enter the year and month when we get the first revenue. Then, we have to construct a revenue-generating algorithm. And here it is. Here, we have several types of customers which differ by average check and margin on average check. In this table of inputs, we can switch on and switch off each type of customer. Afterwards, this will give us a valuable opportunity to make lots of scenarios of operational activity of our grocery store and see many variants of monthly profit and payback period, and so on. Also, here we can add a coefficient to the amount of each type of customer. This will also be helpful for quick future scenario analysis. In the next table of inputs, we set up an amount of different weekdays plus holidays in each month of typical year to get a total of 365 days. Then we specify the amount of different types of customers for each day of the typical week plus typical holiday. Then, we enter seasonal coefficients of revenue from each type of customer in each month of typical year. Here, 100% coefficient is maximum value. When we start our grocery store, we won't be able to get maximum revenue right in the first month. So we need to set up the pace of achieving our planned revenue. This is really a very important block of inputs because it affects the appearance of operational losses. These operational losses appear during a time period when expenses are higher than revenue. It's a period of reaching the break-even point. These losses must be added to the amount of money needed on the investment stage. Operational losses plus investment will give us the final amount of money needed to start our grocery store. The next block of inputs deals with investment needed before we start operational activity stage. Green column will show us the moment when we start getting the first revenue. Moving to the past from the moment of revenue, we describe our investment stage. Here, we specify what item we invest in, when we invest, and how much we invest. Then we describe people, their positions, salaries, amount of people on every position. Our grocery store may also have some fixed costs which can be specified here. We've marked a typical year where you can put your fixed costs even if they have some seasonal fluctuations. Going ahead, we also have a depreciation table. If we have a depreciation for the investment item, we can set a depreciation status and specify the period of depreciation in months. The next block of inputs deals with taxes. You can set the tax rates and move to the cash flow statement, where you will see the results of financial modeling. Cash flow is the main statement where you see financial efficiency of your business idea. What valuable information can you get from this table? First, you can see the total revenue, direct and fixed costs, payroll, and taxes. Second, you can see your monthly profit and cumulative balance. Third, one of the main things you'll see from cash flow is total amount of money you need to start the business. If you see that total financing is bigger than amount of money you have, you can add loan parameters. Amount of loan, month and year you get it, loan term in months, interest rate, and grace period for interest and body payment of the loan. After cash flow statement, we can see lines with profit and profitability. Then you can set the discount rate and look at the final financial efficiency parameters of your grocery store business. Now we can see the graphic illustration of your business idea. Here we see in monthly detail simple and discounted payback period, loan coverage ratio, revenue and total expenses, profit, profitability, cash balance, cumulative profit, operation profit, and loan payment. Then we have the same information done yearly. On the next Excel sheet, we have gathered yearly consolidated cash flow statement, profit loss statement, and main financial results of your grocery store. Finally, we see the financial efficiency of your grocery store business idea. Is this model stable? What will happen to your business if revenue decreases or expenses rise? Now it's time to apply sensitivity analysis. Further, we have several Excel sheets where we test financial efficiency. We test the influence of such parameters as revenue, fixed and direct costs, payroll, investment, interest rate, and loan amount. How does it work? For example, let's go to the revenue sensitivity test. Here, we can set the pace of increasing or decreasing the revenue. Then, we push the Sense button and see when our financial efficiency will go negative. Now we see how stable our grocery store business model is. Plus, it's a great moment to rethink your business strategy in time before you start investment your money in business. Maybe it's a good time to return back to inputs and create new scenario which is more financially strong. The same story goes with all other blocks of sensitivity analysis. So, this was grocery store business model. The link to download it is below this video. If this video was useful to you, please give us a like, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel, push the bell button, or leave us a comment. Also, you can ask us to prepare an individual financial model. Let's test your business idea. Stay tuned and bye-bye!